Eric Mantion from Intel Corporation.
What does Intel Corporation do?
Well, we make a lot of different products. Obviously, we make a lot of processors. But here at the Augmented World Expo 2016, we're showing a lot of RealSense-enabled products that people will be using in the future.
Are there any companies in the same field?
Are there any companies that what?
Are there any companies in the same field?
That do the same kind of thing? Yeah, there's all kinds of other semiconductor companies in the world. Lots of other companies make processors, and there are some other technologies that make themselves the cameras. So,
why would I choose your company over others?
That's a good question. We probably, in a lot of ways, have some of the leading technologies. If you look at it from a very technical standpoint, our processors tend to have the very smallest transistors possible, and the smaller you can make the transistors, the generally more power efficient they can be. So that's a big advantage that we have.
What do you do for your company?
So I have probably one of the greatest jobs at Intel. My job title says Nerd Herder, and I get to go around and meet with developers, software coders, and things like that, and get them to create all kinds of new products based on some of the technology that we have to share.
How has your company changed and grown over the past few years?
See, that's a really interesting question, because when you look at it, we've been looking at a lot of processors and PCs for many, many years, probably longer than you've been around. And now we're looking at really going beyond the PC and exploring areas like robotics and other areas that you wouldn't have necessarily associated with PC. So it's a pretty exciting time.
How do you hope your company can change and grow in the next few years?
I think the thing I just said, I think robots, when you look at it, is probably one of the more interesting areas. I think there's not a person on the planet that likes to do laundry. And if we could make that Rosie the robot that does laundry for us, and we just come home and the laundry's done, that would be awesome. But all kinds of other things. There's so many different ways we can bring intelligence to life. We can make a smart front door so you never have to forget your keys ever again. So honestly, the opportunities are boundless.
What's your price point?
Well, that's a hard question, only from the standpoint that we have so many different products. We have, I think, processors that are as cheap as maybe even $10, and other processors that are much higher end for gaming. So it's a wide spectrum.
What's your target audience?
Basically everybody, right? Because we have some people that will work in enterprise areas, we have some people that will love to play video games, and we have other people that love to play with smaller things like robots and whatnot. So we like to talk to makers, developers, consumers, and enterprise people.
Do you have any advice for young coders?
Absolutely. So I said I have a great job, and I get to go around and talk to all kinds of software people literally all over the country, and I've never come across someone who is a software expert who is unemployed. So the biggest thing is get coding, whatever language you want. Once you learn one language, you will learn others. Everyone I know knows multiple languages, and it is probably one of the most exciting career areas to get to in today's modern world.
Is there anything else you'd like to say?
Yeah, I think technology is a great venue. I know lots of people that come from very humble backgrounds, and I think the great part of technology that I found is usually it's a meritocracy. If you're smart, if you're quick, if you're hardworking, you can make a go at it, and you can turn your life around and really advance. So technology is a great place to get into, and I wish more people would.
That's all for me. Thank you.
Thank you.